cold start on this 1979 Brasilia with 40,026 original kilometers. It starts right up. It's got the dual carbs 1600 engine. Runs very smooth. A little cold right now, so I haven't taken it out in a while. So you check the oil over here. Said the dual original carb engine runs very smooth. It's got some nice gearing ratio, so you can really go about 65 to 70 on the highway and not be at super high RPMs. I'm gonna take a little video of it in a little bit once the sun comes down. It's about 102 degrees in Dallas, Texas right now, so I'll just wait a little bit and I'll take it out on a drive on the highway and the streets and show you how it drives.